So hello everyone. So today in this session we will learn Introduction to Computer Network, which is the unit third in your Python syllabus, class 12 IT syllabus. There is one more news for you. CBSE has changed the syllabus for this year because of due to COVID-19. So the syllabus has become more easy if you will see compared to previous syllabus. So this is the syllabus which is available on the CBSE website also. You can download this syllabus from CBSE website. So if you will see this syllabus is more easy as compared to the previous syllabus. So you need not to worry. I am making the videos on each and every topic. So today I am starting I'm making this is the first video on introduction to computer network, and today we will discuss in this session introduction to network, types of network, LAN, MAN and WAN. This is a very easy topic. I know most of you have already studied in your previous classes also. So one by one we will cover all this topic in all the sessions which I will share with you one by one. So today in this session we will learn introduction to network, types of network, LAN, MAN, WAN. I know this is the one of the easiest topic which you are studying from 8th, 7th and 8th onwards. So let's see what are the LAN, MAN and WAN. So start. So introduction to computer network. In this session we will learn types of network, LAN, MAN and WAN, which is one of the easiest topic. Okay, so what is computer network? First of all we will learn and what is the computer network. I know most of you are already aware what is a computer network. A computer network consists of more than two computers connected to each other through a cable, radio waves or satellites. You already see the computer network in your computer lab. Okay, most of you, because you are the student, you see the computer network mostly in your computer lab when you will work after you're completing your study. So when you will work, so you will see the computer network in your office also. So what is computer network? Computer network consists of more than two computers. When two or more than two computers are connected with any cable or radio waves, so that is called a computer network. And the primary purpose of computer network is share resources and communicate. And what is computer network? सबसे पहले तो हम ये समझ लेते हैं what is a computer network. तो computer network when two or more than, स्पेशली टू तो नहीं होते, जब बहुत सारे कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, सो दैट इज ऑल कॉल्ड अ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क. एंड व्हेन द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर, सो ईच कंप्यूटर कैन शेयर द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सो द पर्पस ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, तो जो मेन पर्पस होता है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क का, द प्राइमरी पर्पस ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क इज टू शेयर रिसोर्सेज एंड कम्युनिकेट. Suppose in their room there is a one room, and in that one room there are 50 computers. So 50 computers can share the information from each other. Okay, so that is the primary purpose of computer network. And there is one more purpose, there is other purpose also, like you can share the hardware. Suppose you have a 50 computers and you have a one printer, so you can share that one printer among 50 कंप्यूटर. दैट मीन्स आप किसी भी 50 कंप्यूटर से जब आप प्रिंट दोगे तो ऑटोमेटिकली किसी भी कंप्यूटर से आप प्रिंट दो तो प्रिंट बिकॉज आपने प्रिंटर को शेयर किया हुआ है कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क में. सो यू कैन टेक द प्रिंट आउट फ्रॉम एनी कंप्यूटर, यू कैन गिव द प्रिंट कमांड फ्रॉम एनी कंप्यूटर. दैट इज वन ऑफ द अगेन बेस्ट यूज ऑफ कंप्यूटर नेटवर्क, एंड देयर आर सो मेनी यूजेस. ओके, सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट यूजेस ऑफ नेटवर्क. अब यूजेस ऑफ नेटवर्क क्या होता है? एज वी हैव ऑलरेडी आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस इन द लास्ट स्लाइड. सो व्हाट इज द यूजेस ऑफ नेटवर्क? सो यूजेस ऑफ नेटवर्क, सपोज शेयरिंग अ डेटा. सपोज there is one file in one computer and you want to share with another computer which is already in that computer network, so you can share the file, you can share the hardware, information, communication, sharing software. You can also share the software, you can share files and you can share information. So this all are the uses of network. Whenever जब भी कोई कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं कोई नेटवर्क में, तो उसके ये सारे फीचर्स होते हैं. वी कैन शेयर द डेटा. सपोज मैं किसी कंप्यूटर्स में बैठा हूँ और मेरा कोई फ्रेंड है वो 25 नंबर के कंप्यूटर में बैठा है, सो वी कैन ईजिली शेयर द डेटा बिकॉज द कंप्यूटर्स आर कनेक्टेड विद ईच अदर थ्रू द नेटवर्किंग. एंड वी कैन शेयर हार्डवेयर ऑल्सो लाइक प्रिंटर, स्कैनर, software, sharing files, sharing information. We can communicate also with each other if the computers are connected in the network. So these are the uses of a network. Then this is a computer network. You can see these computers are connected with each other, so this is again a computer network. Okay, now what is types of network? I know most of you already know what is the types of network. So LAN, MAN and WAN. Local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network. These are the three types of computer network. Of course there is wireless also, but in this unit we have only LAN, MAN and WAN. Wireless also type type of network. So we will see what is LAN, what is WAN, and what is MAN. I know you already know what is local area network, this is wide area network, and this is metropolitan area network. Okay, so what is local area network? See, this is one of the easiest unit I say, because this is one of the easiest units. आपको बहुत मजा आने वाला यूनिट 3 this concept of network topic is very easy and very useful from the future point of view, because network हमेशा if you see, because due to COVID-19 due to current situation COVID, everyone is working on the internet. So see, this is very useful topic और बहुत easy topic है. There is no practical in this topic, only theoretical topic. Okay, so local area network. So when PCs close to one another in a single office or building are joined by a cable, a network is formed and it is known as local area network. See, sorry, just wait. Okay, when the PCs are connected like this, when PCs are connected in a school building or any in a particular office, when a PCs close to one another in a single office or building are joined by a cable, a network is formed and it is known as local area network. When the PCs are connected with a particular office, जब कोई ऑफिस के कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, या किसी रूम में कंप्यूटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. अ सिंपल डेफिनेशन ऑफ LAN is when PCs close to one another in a single office or building are joined by a cable, a network is formed and it is known as local area network. WAN, again हम उसको we can understand in a simple language, कि जब कोई कंप्यूटर्स किसी बिल्डिंग के या किसी ऑफिस में या किसी कमरे में आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. दैट मीन्स किसी एक बिल्डिंग के हो सकते हैं, किसी रूम के हो सकते हैं, रूम से या बिल्डिंग से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड, उस बिल्डिंग के कंप्यूटर जब आपस में एक दूसरे से कनेक्टेड होते हैं, तो दैट इज कॉल्ड अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. यू कैन सी इन योर स्कूल ऑल्सो देयर आर मे बी 2 or 3 labs. सो ऑल दोज labs computers are connected with each other. So that is called a LAN. Okay, now next, wide area network. See, wide area network is larger than LAN. By linking LAN together, the network no longer remains local. It spreads over a wide area network and is known as wide area network. It uses radio signals for connections. See, सपोज यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज वन ऑफ द बिल्डिंग, ये किसी एक बिल्डिंग का लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क है, ये किसी एक बिल्डिंग का लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क है. दिस इज अगेन अ बिल्डिंग ऑफ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क एंड दिस इज अगेन अ लोकल एरिया नेटवर्क. सो 4 LAN, 4 बिल्डिंग्स, या आप इसको सिंपल में से यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड वो नेटवर्क जो LAN और MAN से बड़ा होता है, विच इज कॉल्ड वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क का जो जोग्राफिकल एरिया होता है वो बहुत बड़ा होता है. जब बहुत सारी लेन आपस में कनेक्टेड होती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ वेन. इंटरनेट इज वन ऑफ द गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वेन, दैट इज अ वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क. Okay, now metropolitan area network. See, metropolitan area network, larger than LAN, covers an entire city or a large campus. Just wait. Example, cable TV network. Metropolitan area network is larger than LAN and cover entire city or large campus. You can see जो हमारा DTH वगैरह होता है, that is called, you can understand it, metropolitan area network. Okay, it is a larger than LAN. So this was all about LAN, MAN and WAN. So in this introduction to computer network, which is unit 3. So in this unit we have only 3 topic. In the first topic, types of network, we have 3 topic, LAN, MAN and WAN. So we have covered here what is LAN, what is MAN and what is WAN. So I hope this all is cleared for you. Computer network आप ही को पता ही होता है कि computer network consists of more than 2 computers connected to each other through cables. जब computers आपस में connected होते हैं एक दूसरे से, that is called a computer network. Uses of network you already know. What are the uses of network? We can share the information, we can share the hardware, and there are so many things. This is computer network. Types of network already you know, this LAN, wide area network and MAN, LAN, MAN and WAN. This is called a local area network. Simple definition of local area network, कि when the computers of a particular building or office are connected with each other, so that is called a LAN. WAN is larger than LAN. Wide area network बड़ा होता है LAN से. And when जो WAN होता है larger than LAN होता है and covers an entire city or large campus. कोई एक सिटी से या एक पर्टिकुलर कैंपस तक जो मेन होता है वो कवर होता है. ओके. So thank you for watching this session, and in the next session we will learn about the network devices, modem, hub, switch, repeater, router and gateway. So do watch session 2. Thank you for watching this session, and please like, share and subscribe the channel कि सभी बच्चों को, सभी स्टूडेंट्स को वीडियोस का बेनिफिट मिलता रहे. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो. थैंक यू.